We're here in Morrillas, dito sa may Santa Filomena. Thank you. Ito yung design nila, no? Kami yung nauna. We are going to have a family dinner because of Kuya Rob's birthday. We're waiting for the other. Ha?
Para sana atong tuligman ng gabi.
Okay.
What's up, mga people? Lakado, guys. Happy birthday, boy.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Jonathan. Why ikaw, Jonathan? Actually, guys, dili pa ni Auntie Buok family. Patikim pa lang ni Patikim. As you can see, the Patikim family pa lang. Nagamay pa kayo, guys. Dili pa ni kompleto, guys.
Sila kayo wala.
Sila, family sa America and Canada. Dangkol payo. Kinakos ka namong.
Pakita niyo sila dito. Hi, what's up, yo?
Favorite color ka to, ah.
Libre na puntaan niyo.
Gapa kayo siya, guys. Hi, Kalibong! Hi, Ate Venus! Wow, sa'yo yung iPad. Sa'yo yung tablet. Sa'yo yung dalawa. Hindi na inverted ako na ang dari ko, ya. Hi, Juno! Hi, Juno!
Sus, ginawa ko na lang. Makabuak, makabayad.
Big family.
Sa Morrillas.
Hi, Dad.
Hello. Tapos
Hi, Col.
nato mga bago.
Mga maot sa kalibutan. Hi, guys. Hi. Ay. Hi, Te. Hi, Te. Hi, Te. So, naman na dahil kagkaon, guys. Dahil ang akong kuyo, guys, kay wala pa na human.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Anong wish mo?
Wala ko